Tesla Summon is a feature that allows you to remotely move your Tesla forward or backward using the Tesla app. It's part of Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving suite, acting like a remote control for your car in parking situations. The car uses its sensors and cameras to navigate short distances safely, such as pulling out of a tight parking spot. This feature is now fully integrated into Tesla's FSD supervised version 12.x and later, enabling more advanced remote control capabilities. To use Summon, ensure your Tesla app is updated to version 4.20 or higher. Open the app, and from the Controls menu, select Summon. You'll see options to move the car forward or backward. Remember that your car needs to be in park mode and have an active internet connection to use this feature. You will also be prompted for visual confirmation from the user via the app's live camera feed. Before using Summon, ensure your car is in park mode. This is essential for the feature to activate safely. The doors must be unlocked, allowing the vehicle to move autonomously. There should be no passengers inside the vehicle for safety reasons. Initially, you needed to be within 100 meters of the vehicle, but with FSD supervised, line of sight is sometimes sufficient, enabling use from indoors. Your Tesla's battery level should be above 20% for optimal performance during the maneuver. Here's how the Summon controls appear in the Tesla app, showing the forward and reverse options. The app screens also display vehicle status and controls, confirming when Summon is ready to use. These requirements ensure safe and effective use of the Summon feature. There are two main Summon modes. Basic Summon moves the car straight forward or backward for short distances, ideal for getting out of a garage. Advanced Summon, available with FSD, allows for more complex maneuvers like curving paths or parallel parking adjustments. The advancements in 2023-2025 enabled Summon to handle complex scenarios, such as navigating multi-story garages and avoiding obstacles. Safety is paramount in Tesla's Summon feature. The system uses ultrasonic sensors, cameras, and AI to detect obstacles, automatically stopping the vehicle if any hazards are detected. To minimize risks, Summon operates at low speeds, up to 5 miles per hour, allowing for precise control in tight spaces. If an obstacle is detected, the vehicle automatically halts, as shown here, where the car stops before reaching the red obstacle. Users can instantly override commands if needed, providing an additional layer of control. However, Summon has important limitations. It's not designed for highway use and works only in low-speed controlled environments like parking lots. The camera system plays a crucial role in safety, providing visual data for the AI to make decisions. One common issue with Tesla Summon is poor GPS signal, which can affect the car's location accuracy in the app. Ensure your vehicle's location is displayed correctly on the map. App connectivity problems can also cause Summon to fail. If the app loses connection, check your internet and try reconnecting. Moving closer to the vehicle often helps. If Summon appears unresponsive, try restarting the Tesla app or moving closer to your vehicle. These simple steps can often resolve the problem quickly. Following incidents in 2021, Tesla implemented stricter safety protocols for Summon, including mandatory visual confirmation through the app's live camera feed to ensure safe operation. Summon proves invaluable in various real-world scenarios. For instance, imagine needing to retrieve your Tesla from a tight parking spot in a crowded city. Instead of squeezing between vehicles or walking blocks in bad weather, you can simply use the app to command your car to move forward autonomously. Another common use case is pulling your vehicle out of the garage on a rainy day without getting wet. With Summon, you can stay indoors and watch via the app's live feed as your Tesla backs out safely, navigating around any obstacles. Businesses are increasingly integrating Summon into their fleet management systems for greater efficiency. Shared Tesla vehicles can be summoned remotely, reducing wait times and improving turnaround in corporate parking lots. A publicized case from Texas demonstrates Summon's safety features in action. A user commanded their Tesla to move forward from a driveway using the app. However, the system detected a dog in the path and halted the maneuver automatically, preventing a potential collision. This incident highlights how Summon's AI learns from real-world data, with Tesla reporting a 40% reduction in false positives after FSD v12 updates, making the feature even more reliable for everyday use. Tesla aims for fully autonomous summon by 2027, potentially enabling cross-country summoning via V2X communication. Integration with smart home ecosystems is also a possibility. Experts predict this technology will reduce parking-related accidents significantly as AI improves. As of 2025, over 2 million Tesla vehicles have used Summon monthly per Tesla's data, driven by FSD's growth. The future of Tesla Summon represents a transformative step toward autonomous mobility.